Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing, or in this case, unpackaging, the BigPassport Pro Sound C200 USB microphone. On the front of the package, we can see the product itself through this clear plastic molded packaging, and we can see that it has a 360-degree flexible rotation. On the top, we have some warranty and support information, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty. Right here, we have some technical specifications and the use cases for the microphone. The use cases include interactive video games, video calling, internet phone calls, video conferencing, multimedia applications, YouTube video and streaming, communication accessories, and online karaoke. Here we can see that it has a USB connector, and below that we can see that this is a multimedia microphone. Underneath that we have the symbols for all the things that this microphone supports, like PCs, laptops, other softwares that record sound, and cameras. It has an on-off switch that makes it convenient and easy to use. It has a highly sensitive mic that has a radio effect. It is also professionally designed and manufactured to provide the best effect. It has a high anti-noise treatment so that there is no interference from the outside. It also has a fashionably designed base that keeps it fixed in place. It also has a hose design that is tough and durable yet easy to bend. Lastly, we have a feature that says it is the perfect voice solution for online games, YouTube videos, online streaming, online classes, or office calls. Underneath that, we have the setup instructions illustrated in a convenient way, and below that we have the warranty and precautionary information. On the right, we have the model number, which is Pro Sound C200 USB. It is the brand name, which is BigPassport, and the contents of the package, which include the one USB microphone. We also have the color black as the version that we have. On the inside, we have the technical specifications of the microphone, which we'll go through once we have the microphone out of the package. So let's do that now. Now that we have it out of the box, let's see the technical specifications. In terms of directionality, it is an omnidirectional microphone. The microphone driver itself is 6 mm by 5 mm. Its frequency response is 20 to 20 kHz. Its impedance is 2.2 k ohms. Its sensitivity ranges from -54 decibels at 1 kHz. The product size is 81 by 313 by 115 mm. So now that we have that out of the way, we can get to the product itself. We can see that the base is really attractively designed, and it has some musical notes on the base as well. Right below that, we have the BigPassport logo. Overall, the base has a matte finish apart from these glossy highlights in the shape of a V. Above that, we have the on-off switch that can be used to turn the microphone on or off. Below the base, we have the BigPassport sticker and the model number. The base also is pretty smooth, so it shouldn't scratch up any of the shiny surfaces that you might place it on. As we can see, this hose type microphone unit is pretty bendy and flexible, so it can be adjusted for the perfect comfort and for the perfect voice reception. The microphone unit is made out of plastic and it has a glossy finish. Coming to the cable, we can see that it has a USB type A interface and there is the USB symbol on it. The cable itself is round in shape and seems pretty durable, but it is also extremely flexible. In terms of length, it is approximately 1.5 meters long. So this was the unboxing of the Pro Sound C200 USB microphone. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.